ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Wadla ka khubor hamsaya kala posted hado kata-kata harinsan jong ka social media Henry hado nyos pa ngut kinong tray jong katanat ka koy ka khia kilami siya kamat dala ka mon sngom ha ban padyang ya ka dawai injection ban yada na ukunyang jingpang covid khat khandai yaw balatip kum u Covidshield kat kum ka jingya tho jong uba Alexander L. Heck uba longru menteri jong ka sarkar jilla uba pay ya katanat ka koy ka khia hado menta ka sngi kakat praterik ukelalengkot arajar arpuai kidon hado hanyos pa ngut kinong tray jong katanat kakoy kakhia kibala padyang ban ay yakani ka dawai injection hakabayadai bat ka jing shepting jong kipaj ba ban padyang yakani ka dawai bayada na ukunyang jingpang covid khat khandai uba hek ulayathu bahado menta 4 don satya wat tang iweiru na padang kinong tray jong katanat kakoy kakhia kiban ut pang hadin bakila padyang yakani ka dawai nakabenta ban Shah ay injection
which is introduce new thing people has to first want to see first the other done then only they will follow so that fear is always is human nature only we cannot change this it is there in our bloods only human bloods. It will continue. Let's see how many days we can complete the 16,000 doses to give it to the people. We cannot force anybody. Mla ada bandong ban pelong mandatory hi ngenomla hi kesyong bade mla ban penbor ya baru aki breu lani ki health workers. Kadai be hagamon jongki hi mla bandong ban le ada bor de. COVID also has decreased tremendously now. You have to accept this, but you cannot take it easy. Can't be complacent. We have to take care of ourselves. You have to be protected ourselves. That's all only. We appeal to the people. Maybe it has been reduced tremendously, the COVID. Not a single complaint. It is successful only for 32,000 people for 1,000 doses. 2,000 doses for 15,000 people, 16,000 people, correct. Any single cases which is complained for having side effect in the state of Meghalaya. And I also like to tell you, you have to see for the successful of this vaccinations. You cannot see in the isolations. See for the general successful of this vaccinations. Apo Meghalaya kejungi kemban yung Spah tam kibla ay vaccination. Tama ka record full record ngamyo tam ngala su yo ba su tip kemban yung Spah plus kibla ay vaccination state Meghalaya.